Rosie's Take. Today I'm here with Haley Hicks at WQYK. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm excellent. So you're making the rounds on your radio tour. How's it going for you?
It's going very good. I'm very excited to be doing it, and we've been to a lot of stations and all, but y'all are so great to us. We're so glad to be here today.
Well, you had a packed out room. Everybody really enjoyed your sound. Tell me a little bit about your mentors.
Well, you know, I come from a very musically inclined family, and so it kind of just led me to do this career. And you know, it's been a long road so far, but I know it's going to be even longer. But you know, I grew up listening to gospel music, to LeAnn Rimes, Dolly Parton, Leonard Skinner's my favorite band. So you know, it's been a lot of fun, you know, so far, but I'm really glad to be doing it.
Well, tell me what keeps you going. You know, a lot of people out there have dreams, and they might have been young like you and told to wait, or, you know, all the discouraging words that come at you. What kept you going through, even though you were so young?
Well, I just knew that it was what I wanted to do. I'd always wanted to do it, you know, and so I just knew that it was like the only thing I really was great at, you know, or good, you know. Of course, I've gotten a lot better since I've been doing it for a living, but and I've still got a lot to learn. But I would just tell them just to do it anyway, you know, do it anyway. Like Martina McBride said, you know, do it anyway.
So did you sometimes
sing anyway?
Listen to that song, and that be kind of the encouragement you needed for the day?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I think that anything that you want to do and you set your mind to it, you can do it. Nothing should stop you, you know?
Well, nothing is stopping you, and you're releasing your single. Let everybody know what it is.
The name of my single is Last Night of Spring. It's on iTunes along with my album. It's called Can't Hide Country. My name is Haley Hicks, H-A-L-I, and my website is HaleyHicksMusic.com.
All right, and you're signed now?
Yes, I am, to 9 North Records in Nashville, and they have been such a great team. Everybody that's been working with me, Full Entertainment, Jeff McCluskey and Associates, everybody, 9 North, of course, they have just been so great to me, and I'm so glad to have them.
So you're going on the radio tour. You're going to hit 30 to 40 stations, and when you're on the road, it's hard to, you know, the girls out there want to know, how do you stay so trim? I know you're young.
Me?
Yeah, but I mean, do you try to cut back, or do you just let it go?
Well, I'll be honest with you, I have never been the type to watch what I eat. I eat everything. I eat all the time. I love bread. That's my biggest thing, bread. And I'm trying to kick back on that. I'm shooting my video for my single next weekend, and I really need to lose a little bit, you know, kind of maybe just tone up a little bit, and that's really hard for me because that's not what I'm used to. But actually, Trey and I, my drummer, he's going to be in the video as well, and we've actually been trying to do that this week, kind of
maybe get some jogging.
Yeah, jogging, all that. So I'm actually doing that now. So
well, the weather is beautiful while you're here in Florida, so take a jog, maybe even go to the beach or something like that.
I would love to do that.
All right, well, thank you so much for being with me here on Rosie's Take.
Thank you so much.
All right, everybody, stay with us, and I'll show you a little clip of her new single.
I'm leaving for Nashville today. Does anybody care? And then he's like, you really are? I said, my truck is loaded down. Look at it. You know, I'm ready. My whole room's packed up. I'm going. And he's like, all right, well, follow me to the farmer's store, which is a gas station down the road. So he filled up my tank, gave me $100, and I went boo-hooing the whole way. You know? I was so sad I was leaving my family, but I just knew I had to do it. And I was homeschooled through high school to be able to sing and go to Nashville, and so I was like, I've given up all that, I got to do something, you know. So with or without anybody, I was going, and I went, and I've been playing for a living ever since. When you look at me, darling, I can feel my heart start to fall. Just